8K TVs transform home entertainment with unparalleled clarity and stunning detail, enhancing every viewing experience. Whether for cinematic masterpieces or immersive gaming, these TVs maximize every pixel. We've done the research and found the best 8K TVs for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is the Samsung QN900D. The Samsung QN900D stands out in the realm of ultra-high-definition viewing. This 8K TV features an infinity air design that minimizes bezels, expanding your view to the very edges of the screen. This design enhances the immersive experience for all types of content, making movies and shows feel almost limitless. One of the most striking aspects of the QN900D is its Neo-Quantum HDR 8K Pro technology. This delivers exceptionally bright highlights and deep blacks, offering a picture so clear that every pixel is distinguishable. Whether you're enjoying cinematic blockbusters or high-stakes sports, the realism is astounding. For those who crave technical excellence, the Real 8K resolution with AI Upscaling Pro is a game-changer. It utilizes 512 AI neural networks to refine and sharpen images, elevating standard content to spectacular 8K quality. This is complemented by the NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor, which not only enhances picture quality, but also boosts overall TV performance, including audio. Speaking of audio, the built-in Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Pro make the audio experience as compelling as the visuals. Sound moves around you in three-dimensional space, allowing you to feel the action, not just see it. The TV also includes features like the Motion Accelerator 240 Hz for a blur-free viewing of fast action scenes and sports, ensuring that you catch every detail in real time without lag. In conclusion, the Samsung QN900D excels with its cutting-edge visuals and state-of-the-art audio, offering a truly immersive viewing experience. The second on our list is the LG Z2 series. The LG Z2 series OLED TV emerges as a strong contender in the 8K market, aiming to prove that 8K TVs can deliver exceptional viewing experiences even in the absence of native 8K content. This model offers a unique blend of affordability and high-end technology compared to its predecessors, raising the bar for what consumers can expect from high-resolution displays. This television impresses with its understated elegance. While not overtly flashy, its slim 3.2cm profile and evenly distributed plastic casing give it a modern, minimalistic charm. It's thicker than some models like the LG G2, but maintains a refined look. The included feet, although not the most visually appealing, provide practical stability with a minimal footprint, ideal for those preferring a clean setup. Functionality-wise, the Z2 shares the familiar Magic Remote, known for its ergonomic design and intuitive navigation, enhancing user interaction with the TV's smart features. However, the real draw is the TV's 8K resolution, boasting over 33 million pixels. Each pixel can independently light up and change color, thanks to its advanced OLED technology, presenting a depth of image that is truly mesmerizing. While it doesn't carry the OLED Evo label, the Z2 is equipped with a robust 8K processor that exceeds the capabilities of its G2 and C2 counterparts. This processor not only handles upscaling with finesse, but also improves HDR tone mapping and noise reduction, making 4K and even standard definition content visually stunning. In conclusion, the LG Z2 series stands as a testament to the potential of 8K TVs to transform how we consume media. The third on our list is the Samsung QN800C. The QN800C is a testament to the advancements in display technology, especially when it comes to ultra-high-definition televisions. This model is built around the Quantum Matrix Pro technology with mini LEDs. This cutting-edge feature introduces a world of tiny, precise lights that dramatically enhance contrast and color accuracy, delivering a billion colors and incredibly deep blacks. The result is a stunningly vibrant and detailed picture that brings content to life in ways you have to see to believe. Adding to its superior visual performance, the TV is powered by the Neural Quantum Processor 8K. This sophisticated processor not only sharpens images to 8K quality, but also enhances depth, texture, and the overall audio experience, making everything from dialogue to action scenes clearer and more immersive. Design-wise, the Infinity One design with Slim One Connect significantly reduces cable clutter while offering a sleek and slim profile that complements any room setup. Coupled with features like Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus, the audio is as good as the visuals, with sounds moving in three-dimensional space around you, heightening the realism of your viewing experience. Moreover, the inclusion of anti-glare with ultra-viewing angle ensures that every seat is the best seat in the house, delivering consistent and detailed visuals from any angle and in any lighting condition. In conclusion, for those in the market for an 8K TV that offers both stunning visuals and advanced features, this TV presents a compelling option that enriches the viewing experience across all types of content. The fourth on our list is the Sony Z9K. The Sony Z9K offers an exceptional blend of technology and design that stands out in the 8K TV market. With the cognitive processor XR at its core, this TV enhances content in a way that closely mimics human perception. This technology results in intense contrast with deep blacks and high peak brightness, along with natural colors that vividly pop from the screen. For those who appreciate precision in their display, the mini LED technology in this model is a significant enhancement. Controlled by the XR backlight master drive, thousands of mini LEDs illuminate the screen, producing an image with extraordinary contrast. This feature significantly improves visibility in both the darkest shadows and the brightest highlights, without losing any detail. Gaming on this TV is particularly impressive, especially for PlayStation 5 owners. With features such as auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture switch, it optimizes each gaming session for the best possible visual performance. Moreover, it includes essential HDMI 2.1 features like 4K 120 FPS, variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode, ensuring that gamers experience minimal input lag and smooth, uninterrupted action. The TV also doubles as a premium smart TV, powered by Google TV with Google Assistant. This allows easy access to a wide range of streaming services, and the inclusion of the Bravia Core app provides streaming of high-quality movies, bringing a cinema-like experience right into your living room. In conclusion, the Sony Z9K serves as a comprehensive entertainment hub, enhancing visual and interactive experiences, making it an excellent choice for upgrading any home entertainment setup. The last on our list is the Samsung QN900C. The Samsung QN900C redefines television viewing by merging cutting-edge technology with an aesthetically pleasing design. The infinity screen with its Slim One Connect box is a standout feature, offering an edge-to-edge 8K viewing experience that makes the bezels nearly disappear. This design not only enhances the viewing experience by eliminating distractions, but also cleverly hides cable clutter, ensuring your focus remains on the breathtaking picture quality. At the core of its impressive display capabilities lies the Quantum Matrix Pro technology backed by mini LEDs. This sophisticated system provides sharp, precise illumination across the screen, enabling a visual experience filled with a billion colors and intense contrasts. The deep blacks and vibrant colors make every scene appear more lifelike, drawing you into the action whether you're watching a fast-paced thriller or a visually stunning documentary. Enhancing this is the Neural Quantum Processor 8K, which optimizes every scene for detail, depth, and texture. Coupled with the Neo Quantum HDR 8K+, the TV delivers an extraordinary range of contrast and color that makes every image pop with a lifelike intensity. In terms of functionality, it is also a dream for gamers, featuring the Samsung Gaming Hub and Motion Accelerator Turbo Pro for a seamless and responsive gaming experience. The inclusion of Pantone validation ensures that the colors you see are accurate, making this TV a perfect choice for those who value both performance and design. In conclusion, the Samsung QN900C transcends traditional television, becoming a cornerstone of modern home entertainment systems and redefining the capabilities of a TV. And that ends our list of the best 8K TVs. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.